Hello LEGO Titanic builders. As I mentioned yesterday in my post, I've received this LeLightGo Titanic LEGO Titanic Light Kit, and I want to make unboxing and content showing today. I have ordered this LeLightGo kit before I knew that LeLightGo is a reseller of Game of Bricks. And actually this kit is a classic version of Game of Bricks corresponding kit. And later I also have ordered the same classic version directly from Game of Bricks when it was available, and also upgrade set which makes this classic set to the maximum Remote+Sound. That's I have not yet received. And at the same time, so my previous video, I made unboxing and content viewing of this Light My Bricks kit. And actually, by the functionality and content should correspond to this Game of Bricks classic kit. At the same time, now I will do only unboxing and content showing of this kit, but I will also do later comparison of these two kits. At the same time, the Light My Bricks kit cost more than 200 euros, and this Game of Bricks classic version kit cost less than 50 euros. In description to this post, I also provide my affiliate link to Game of Bricks shop, where you can, as my subscribers, you can get 15% discount with this affiliate link for Games of Bricks LEGO Titanic Kit Any version. Okay, so now let's go and open it. I also don't know what is inside. I have not yet opened it. So the package, yeah, okay, also nice. So let's see what is inside. Okay, so from that point of view, it's even also very nice in a really solid box, nicely protected. And let's see what is inside. It's also different packages. Okay, in this case, they don't have any sign on them, as for example, Light My Bricks, but you see different connectors, some wires. Okay, so maybe from, okay, and here, for example, they have a battery pack, and yeah, okay, sticker. Yeah, Titanic Classic version, and also some more connectors. It's actually also very nice. They also provide this pin set that it's easier to especially work with all these connectors. So from the content, maybe okay, it's not so many packages as you remember was in Light My Bricks kit, but also everything very nicely packed, and yeah, so the quality it looks also very nice. We'll see how it works together when I gonna assemble it at least. So, and yeah, so that's, if we see, this is LeLightGo, so Game of Bricks Classic set. Yep. And yeah, so this is a set from, okay, as you remember, it has much more, so I had this opening, so it's definitely more lights in this set than in this kit. So maybe from that point of view, it also has some replacement parts. It's also nice. Yeah, more wires. So from the content, it's definitely, I think it has more than this Game of Bricks Classic set. Yeah, but yeah, it's also almost 4 times more expensive than this kit. At the same time, so Game of Bricks, even Remote and Sound, which is a maximum version, still something like less than 100 euros, so anyway twice cheaper than this Light My Bricks kit. So I don't know yet what is there, so that's, we will see. Yeah, so from at least from the first expression, okay, that looks good. Of course, that's really nice, colorful, and yeah, I also don't know how it really would work for assembly, and but at least works really good. Yeah, okay, so that's short unboxing of LeLightGo kit and comparison of the content between this Game of Bricks or LeLightGo Classic Titanic Lego set and Basic. Actually, they don't have any other version of game of Light My Bricks kit. Okay, so stay connected, and I will show next time, I hope I could receive them soon, the content of original, let's say, Game of Bricks Classic set plus upgrade, so altogether should result in Game of Bricks Titanic Lego Remote+Sound kit. Okay, see you later. Cheers.